EnAble is all about creating awareness, a sense of belonging and empowering lives through exercise. Our primary goal is to educate about the importance of inclusion with people with a disability in all aspects of life, and that includes our fitness centres. The vision is to create inclusive communities and places that are accessible, where all people with or without a disability are included, respected and celebrated. My name is Marietta Mahani, and I partnered with a true inspiration and advocate for people with intellectual disabilities, Carol Sire. After years of searching for education and courses, being frustrated with the lack of information regarding empowering people, Carol and I just decided to put our words, our beliefs and ideas into action. Carol has designed unique group exercise classes and programs for both adults and children with an intellectual disability. In the spirit of inclusivity, it was natural to ensure that we included Caitlin, Carol's daughter, in developing the EnAble education. Caitlin is a young woman who lives with an intellectual disability and dyspraxia. She is a passionate advocate for people living with disability. We will inspire you to create environments for people with a disability to be able to take part in fitness centres, to play sport and have an opportunity for fitness and good health. Small changes can make a big difference, and everyone deserves the opportunity to exercise and be included.